Hello all, welcome to Limitless Learning Series part 44. So we have here again with us Yashashri ma'am.
Hello everyone.
Yashashri ma'am, many parents, they ask us questions that how can I support my child's early literacy? So if you have any suggestions for our parents.
Yes, thank you. That's a very important question right now for all our parents. And as a teacher, I am very happy to share some of the important points that you can do at home. You can have conversations with your child, encourage him to read books, him or her to read the books that are there at home. And very simple things that can be done. Now you have different furniture at home. So you have a sofa, just stick a label which says sofa. You have a television.
So you suggest all small letters or capital letters? What
Right now, I think small letters are good because whenever we check, we do reading, small letters are emphasized more. Capital letters, as and when they go to school, they will definitely learn. And so now that is the one thing that you can do is label your household items. Then read storybooks. Storybooks, there are so many storybooks available in the market. As well as I think in their school library also they would be having a wide variety of
example
books.
If you can give best storybooks in our school also many
storybooks are there. So we have a famous author known as Eric Carle, and in that he has illustrated the books so nicely that they introduce the children to early concepts as well as different animals and different things in and around that we see around us.
And so, repetitive words also.
Yes. His words are repetitive. His illustrations are very eye-catching, and they can touch that, feel that illustrations as well. So this is one of some of the books that we can read for our kids.
We are celebrating his birthday in our school on 25th of June.
Oh yes, and you will see many more activities from our side as well. Sing alphabet songs, that everybody is everybody knows that as well. A, B, C, D, everyone's favorite. That is not something that you have to learn. We have learned from our teachers, our parents, and now our children are learning from their teachers and parents. And let the children read with you. Even if they are not reading, encourage them to turn the pages, and then there are pictures. Ask them, oh, what is this? They might get it wrong also. Oh, it's not this, it's that. It's okay for correcting them as well.
That's very true. Parents actually, whenever we say that reading, that time most of the parents, they have that concept in their mind that my child should have only the letter recognition or they should be able to read words. But yes, that is important. But with that, I think what you said, it's very right. Going from left to right, as well as able to turn the page properly.
Yes.
So all these things are very important.
Are also part of your early literacy skills. So I'm sure that with your support, with your teacher's support, school support, our children will become expert readers as well. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Yashashri ma'am, for all your tips for our to our parents. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Keep watching, keep learning.